Tell me, Uran, what hurts more? Losing the person you loved or losing yourself while holding on to them? Heartbreak feels like the world has ended. But what if I told you the real battle is not with them, it's with your own mind? The one who broke your heart isn't the true enemy. The pain you feel is your own mind refusing to let go of what it cannot change. But the Stoics, they left behind truths powerful enough to free you, not from love, but from suffering. Heartbreak feels like a wound that never closes. But what if healing isn't about erasing the scar, but learning to live stronger because of it? The Stoics knew this well. They left us lessons, 5 truths that can turn heartbreak into strength. Let me share them with you. Truth 1. You cannot control others, only your own mind. How many nights have you replayed the same memory asking, why did they leave? Why did they hurt me? The Stoics would say, stop fighting battles outside your command. Marcus Aurelius wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. They chose their path. You cannot rewrite their choices, but you can master your response. The illusion that you can control them, that's what keeps you suffering. Release that illusion, and you release half your pain instantly. Truth 2, suffering comes from attachment. Now, what if I told you it's not their absence that breaks you, but your attachment to the idea of them? Epictetus said, when something is taken from you, remember it was never truly yours. You clung to them as if they were permanent, as if they could never change. But people are not possessions, they are passing travelers. The more you hold on, the more it hurts when they leave. If you loosened your grip, would your heart bleed less? Truth 3, everything is temporary, even pain. Think back. Years ago, you suffered heartbreak you thought you'd never survive. And yet here you are, alive, breathing, healing again. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, this too shall pass. The joy, the sorrow, the laughter, the heartbreak, everything is in motion. Everything changes. Imagine your pain as a storm. It rages, it floods. But no storm lasts forever. The sun always returns. Truth 4, focus on what you can build. But what do you do with the ruins of your heart? You rebuild, not them, not us, you. The Stoics believe the best use of pain is transformation. Don't waste your suffering, use it as fuel. Build your character, build your strength, build the life that no heartbreak can shatter. Your scars don't have to be chains, they can be armor. Every tear you shed today is water for tomorrow's growth. Truth 5, time is the healer. Now comes the hardest truth. Healing takes time. Seneca wrote, time heals what reason cannot. You cannot rush it, you cannot command it. All you can do is trust it. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Healing is not about forgetting. It's about learning, growing, and choosing peace above pain. So remember, the one who broke your heart was never the enemy. The real enemy is the story your mind keeps repeating. The Stoics teach us, control what you can, let go of what you can't, and trust the flow of time. Your heart will not just heal, it will return stronger, wiser, and unbreakable. If this message reached you today, it wasn't an accident. Maybe you were meant to hear it. Carry these truths with you, and when the pain returns, as it will, remember, peace is always within your reach. Thank you for listening, my friend. Stay strong.